Hi, and welcome to another night of homework. Tonight we will be doing number patterns in graphs. So the directions read, is the pattern additive or multiplicative? And then we're supposed to write the rule for the pattern. So if we look at number 1, our first, well, they have A and B instead of X and Y, but this is our X-axis and this is our Y-axis. So the first order pair is to go over 1 up 5. My second order pair is to go over 2 up 6. Then I go over 3 up 7. So these are my ordered pairs. So now I have to figure out to get from the X to the Y, is it additive or multiplicative? So first we'll try adding. So 1 plus 4 is 5. So let's see if that works for the second one. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. So my additive pattern worked. So this is a additive pattern. And my rule would be to do A plus 4 in order to give me B. All right. Let's take a look at number 3. For number 3, instead of using X and Y, they used E and F, but we'll use X for our X-axis and Y for our Y-axis. So I went over 1, up 5, in between 4 and 6, over 2, up 10, over 3, up 15. So now, if I do 1 plus 4, that gives me 5. But if I do 2 plus 4, that gives me 6. So this is not an additive pattern. So let's try multiplicative. 1 times 5 gives me 5. 2 times 5 gives me 10. And 3 times 5 gives me 15. So this is a multiplicative pattern. So I would do 5 times E to give me F. Okay, let's take a look at the problem solving. Oh, Mr. Henderson didn't underline in box, so we have to make sure that we underline in box. So it says to use C to find the cost and H for the number of hours. Patrice rents a rowboat for several hours. Use the pattern shown in the graph to write the rule for calculating costs of renting the rowboat. All right, so we have to use C for the cost, H for the number of hours. So they gave us a chart, so let's zoom out just a little bit if possible. Oh, that's okay, we can still see it. Okay, so my first ordered pair is over 1 up 15, so I have 115. Over 2 up 30, so I have 230. Over 3 up 15, so I have 345. Okay, so now first let's look for an additive pattern. So if I do 1 plus 14, that gives me 15. But if I do 2 plus 14, that gives me 16. So that's incorrect. So let's try multiplicative. So 1 times 15 is 15. 2 times 15 is 30. And 3 times 15 is 45. So that is a multiplicative pattern. I am multiplying 15 times the amount of hours to get the cost. Please complete the rest of the problems. Thank you.